Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refuel your Audi A1 or S1 vehicle on a gas station. First step, unlock your car, then open the fuel cover. Then you have to untighten the fuel cap and rest it at the fuel cover in this position. And then grab the inflate pistol with Ultimate 102 fuel. This petrol will give you more power and a better cleaning of your engine inside. Now push the trigger and rest it there until the tank is full. After this, extract the fuel pistol and give it back to the station. Yeah, good job, easy going as you can see. Now you have tightened the fuel cap again by rotating it clockwise until it is tightened enough, and then close the cover. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.